Hi everyone. As you probably know, I've been learning Spanish for half a year now and streaming everything that I'm doing in real time. It was like my Spanish language learning challenge. But there is a problem with those streams. They are not very easy to follow and learn Spanish. And many people asked me actually, could I explain everything in English but a little bit slowly? So I decided to create this video series for beginners in Spanish, and I would explain everything more slowly in English. I haven't seen such content on YouTube, so I decided to make it by myself. Enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Can you translate esto in this context? Esto es una mesa. Esto es una mesa. This is a table. Esto, this. Can you translate es in this context? Eso es una lámpara. Okay. Eso es una lámpara. That is a lamp. Es could be translated as is. Could you translate in English this verb, ser? This verb ser could be translated in English as to be. Can you translate aquello in this context? Y aquello es una silla. Y aquello es una silla. Y aquello es una silla means, and that is a chair. Aquello means that. How would you translate a word una in this context? Esto es una pluma. Esto es una pluma. Esto es una pluma means this is a pen. Una means a, feminine. How would you translate a word mesa in this context? Esto es una mesa. Esto es una mesa. Esto es una mesa means this is a table. Mesa means a table. How would you translate a word eso in this context? Eso es una lámpara. Eso es una lámpara. Eso es una lámpara means that is a lamp. Eso means that. How would you translate y in this context? Y aquello es una silla. Y aquello es una silla. Y aquello es una silla means and that is a chair. Y means and. How would you translate pluma in this context? Esto es una pluma. Esto es una pluma. Esto es una pluma means this is a pen. Una pluma means a pen. How would you translate ventana in this context? Eso es una ventana. Eso es una ventana. Eso es una ventana means that is a window. Una ventana means a window. How was it for you? I recommend you to watch this video 2 or 3 times to memorize this vocabulary even better. Is that kind of content needed? Put your comments and tell me about that right here. And don't forget to like this video. And of course, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is highly important.